Hi everyone. I wanted to discuss taking a quadratic in standard form of ax squared plus bx plus c and converting it to vertex form, which is a times the quantity x minus h squared plus k, where our vertex is going to be the point hk. Now most people will have you do this by completing the square, but personally I think that is a pain in the butt, so we are not going to do that. What we're going to do is find the vertex of our quadratic and then put it in vertex form from there. To do that, we're going to consider this function f of x equals negative 3x squared plus 12x minus 5. And the first thing we're going to do is find the vertex. Now the x value of a vertex is given by taking the opposite of the b value divided by twice the a value. In this case, our b value is 12 and our a value is negative 3. And this means that the x value of our vertex is 2. In order to find the y value of our vertex, we're simply going to plug an x value of 2 into our function to find the y value. So plugging in our x value of 2 is going to give us negative 3 times 2 squared plus 12 times 2 minus 5, which means that the y value of our vertex is 7. So the vertex of our parabola is going to be the point 2, 7, and since it is the same parabola, our a value is going to be negative 3, and we can now put it in vertex form. So the vertex form of our original parabola is going to be f of x equals negative 3 times quantity x minus 2 squared plus 7. And we can verify this a couple different ways. We can graph them in y1 and y2 of the calculator. We could also go ahead and FOIL and expand our vertex form and see that we get our original parabola. And I think this is much easier than completing the square and takes a lot less time. So I hope you have found this helpful. And just for a quick verification, you can see that I have our original function in y1, our vertex form in y2, and if we hit graph, what we can see is they graph to be the same function, and our point up here, our vertex, is the point 2, 7.